Hi everyone! I just got home because umikot ako ng buong Houston, Texas because I was looking for Mang Tomas, my favorite. This is our last Mang Tomas. Tanawa na siya diri oh. So this is the last one and I went to I think 5 or 6 Asian stores. I went to 299 Ranch Asian stores. I went to Seafood City, which is a known Filipino grocery store here in US. Wala pod. So somebody told me balik daw ko tomorrow because they might restock. So I'll try tomorrow. And also sa Kamau Asian store. And there's one more store. Naghanap din ako ng bagoong. I was able to find one. And Jofran banana ketchup. So it's because this year lang, November of this year, banned na ang Mang Tomas banana ketchup. It can be Jufran or UFC banana ketchup. As long as it's banana ketchup, banned na rin. And of course, the bagoong. So, nagsink in na gyud. Mang Tomas kasi has a butylated hydroxyanisole, a preservative and food additive with potential carcinogenic effects. So, in other words, it can increase the risk of cancer. And the banana ketchup has a potassium iodate that can interfere thyroid function. First few weeks of November, nag-mass buying ang mga tao. And right now, wala na. I couldn't find any na. So, wala nang stocks. And I think the shipment were held already. So, hindi na makapasok. And yung mga remaining stocks na lang ang pinapaubos. So, until supplies last. So, ngayon, wala na. I'm sad kasi Mang Tomas has been my favorite good. Mga, not only for lechon, but also mga pritong isda. I use Mang Tomas. Even fried egg, I put Mang Tomas on it. And, syempre, happy also kasi FDA proved na it can increase the risk for cancer. It has this potential carcinogenic effect. That's why cancer cases are already high nowadays because of the food that we eat.